I don't think people realize how smart animals can be. Did you know that pigeons can tell if a tumor is malignant or benign? Yes, you heard that right. Even though they have tiny brains, they can detect cancer. But how do you teach pigeons to detect cancer? This happened in an experiment where pigeons were shown images of either malignant or benign tumors. To get food, a pigeon had to press one button for benign and another for malignant. If it got it right, it received a reward. If not, no treat. And guess what happened? After several tries, the pigeons figured out which images showed a malignant tumor with 80% accuracy. You might think, well, that's not so great. It's not as accurate as a human, but here's the thing. When researchers combined the results of multiple pigeons, their accuracy shot up to 99%, which is as good as that of a trained doctor. So, are we about to replace doctors with pigeons and cut healthcare costs? Or what?